Peace, y'all. It's starting to rain right now. And I kind of want to get my sweet potatoes. I don't want them to get rained on anymore. So I'm about to try to see if I can cook the greens and drag it under my porch. So these are all the greens. I'm going to grab a basket real quick and see if I can stuff them in the basket. Okay, y'all, I need to clean my phone out, so I don't have a lot of recording time, but this is what I've got in my basket. I got this out. I'm going to take it on the porch and see what we got. And I'm going to bring a trash bag out, probably, and just get a few more greens. Or maybe I'll just see what I can stuff in here and let the rest of it die back. And I'll use it for mulch or something. Peace. I do want to show you guys something I just noticed. I was talking about flowers before, and now that I'm pulling it down, I can see that a bunch of flower buds were coming. So I normally don't see that in my sweet potatoes. I don't normally wait long enough, but it seems like they were coming along. It's just doing a lot of raining, and I don't want my sweet potatoes to get soggy. Also, I can see a root went down there, so if I find anything down there, I'll let y'all know. I'm not gonna lie, fam, I'm a little disappointed in my harvest. It's definitely not as much as I thought would be in here, and what's in here is kind of eaten up or breaking down or mushy, or I don't know. Look, just like the other one, we have this kind of big one, but you can see, well, I don't know, this one, it's actually not soft like the other one. So there's like a big old piece. There's this piece. Almost looks like it was too much rain, but they do say if you cure them, all the little cuts and scrapes will heal over. But look at this. This is disgusting. It's mushy. This is the other piece of it. I don't know what happened to it. And then there's this and a bunch of roots. Good thing we grew some at Mommy's house. I'll see how to try to fix it for next time. Peace.